In our previous classes, we have done work on some basic skills of R programming, like how to install and activate packages. We have also done how to create a working directory. We also have done work on how to read and write a script. We also have learned how to resolve issues or errors in R. And you have get about 20 to 25% R language skill. Now you are able to install packages, you are able to activate packages, you are able to create working directory, you are able to read and write a script about 20 to 25%. Today we will again do practice on these skills, but our topic is different. Now we are moving to from some basic to more some advanced things or more complicated things. But again, we are still working on R programming. Not we are moving to statistics. We will move to statistics when you have a good command in R. So in our today class topic is correlation. But our objective of this class is reading, writing, and how to resolve errors. So when you are given any task, so today your task is correlation. Perform correlation on ficus dataset. Today your supervisor gives you a task. Today task 1 is perform correlation on ficus data set. Please be remember our focus must be on script, not on plot, not on results. When we will start statistics, then our focus will be on plot and tables and its interpretations. Today our focus should be on script. How we write a correct script, how we read a correct script, not our focus on plot, not focus on dataset. Okay, when you want to do any analysis, the first question should be arise in your mind is which package will be used? Will be used for correlation. Its answer is you can use psych or corrplot for correlation, although some other packages are also available for correlation. So there are two packages. You may use psych or you may use corrplot. It's up to you. No, you decide I want to do psych package. I want to use psych package. So next question should be arise in your mind is psych package or psych machine is available in our lab. In our lab, if you have this machine in your lab, then you are able to do analysis on this machine. So first we need to confirm from screen number 4. So please all participants come on screen number 4. All participants please come on screen number 4. Click on packages button and here is a search bar. Search here PSYCH psych. In my case here is a psych package. Procedure for psychological, psychometric and personality research. psych package. So in my case, I have this package, so my answer is yes. Please all participants respond me. Your answer is yes or no. Please all participants respond. Okay, your answer is no. If your answer is no, so here there are two possible way. Maybe your answer is yes or maybe your answer is no. Here maybe your answer is yes or your answer may be no. If your answer is yes, then you will do library. Library. If your answer is no, then you will do installation. So our answer is no, so we will do installation. So click on install button and search here psych psych psych, select and click on install button. It will give you red lines and red dot in screen number 2. You need to wait until this red dot disappeared. When this red dot disappeared, screen number 2 will give you a message. Package psych successfully unpacked. If you get this message, it means no, you have a psych machine or psych package in your R programming. No, my answer is yes. No, we will do library. So do library, psych, library, psych, and run. Please all participant done till this step. I have done library, so please type done so that I can move to next step. If you are facing an issue, you
So,
are allowed to share your screen or you can also open your mic.
so
Yes,
if I want to stop my previous package, for example, I am working on screen number 1, the previous package is ggplot2, but when I start the psych package, it shows that the following objects are masked from package gg2plot.
yes, don't worry. Here are some packages which are dominant and psych is among of them. For example, in biological field of study, we have two type of genes, dominant alleles, dominant or recessive allele. When there is a dominant allele, it masks the effect of recessive allele. So some functions of ggplot2 like percentage plus percentage is a recessive function. And psych also have this function. If you activate psych, psych will stop the stop to work percentage plus percentage function which is of ggplot2 or some other functions of ggplot2. Clear? It's
Can
not
you
any
repeat?
issue. Yes, it's not an issue.
That means sir, that ggplot package has now recessive, not dominant. Now
Yes,
dominant is now psych package.
yes, because ggplot2 have some recessive functions. When
Okay.
we activate psych package, it will dominate and it would automatically stop to work some packages of ggplot2. So if you want
Okay.
to
That means
do if you
okay.
want to
Okay.
do again function of ggplot2, then you need
We
to
need to go
do
library.
again library in ggplot2. Then it will work.
So it means that the last one library, which one you want to activate, that will be activated.
No, last one is not activated. For example, if here are two libraries, one is library is ggplot2. I do library. Now ggplot2 is active. It's showing me a
Okay.
message attaching package. The following object are masked from the package psych. No, you can check. I activated ggplot2. ggplot2 mask the percentage plus percentage and alpha. Now when I activate psych, it's working properly. So these two tools are also available in psych package as well as in ggplot2 package. We can use only one, or we can use psych, or we can use ggplot2. If you want to use psych, do library psych. If you want to use ggplot2, you need to do ggplot2.
Okay, that means the both are for plotting.
Yes, both are for
Plot.
plotting. Yes.
So one more question is here.
Yes.
For example, we usually use the Excel file. In Excel file, we are using X and Y. That's everything's there.
Yes.
Then we are just that import that file in this studio and
Yes.
run that. For example, if I want to write some equation, so
If you
that
want to,
also we can do that. Write some mathematical equation.
yes, you can use. Yes.
So we can also write the mathematical equation in Excel file or some Word file. Then we can
No,
import that file there.
you mean you have data in Excel?
No, I have some. I don't have the data. Actually, I have some equations in the. For example, I have some mathematical equation. For example, entropy. Entropy equation is there. So I from Word file, I already mentioned everything. What is this? What is that? Everything. All
Okay.
the symbols I mentioned.
Yes.
So then I need to plot that. Can we do that?
Yes, you can do.
But it is necessary Excel file or any Word file.
If you have data, then you need Excel file. Otherwise, you can use CSV file, you can use PDF file, even you can SPSS, any file which you have, you can use.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now we want to use psych package, but each package have many functions. So similarly, psych package also have some functions. If you click on psych, it will show you a list of all possible functions which you can perform by using psych package. But here we want to perform correlation. So we need a function which assists us or help us for correlation. So for correlation, there is a function name corr dot test. Corr dot test. CORR corr. Corr dot test. Here is the corr dot test function. Open this function. No. Provide your file or data. So our file name is ficus. Our file name is ficus. And run this message. Please all participant type corr.test function. This function will apply correlation analysis on your dataset. When you run this line, it will give you an error. Error in corr x use equal use method equal method x must be numeric. Please all participants confirm. Are you getting this error? If you get a error, type error or yes. Okay. No, first we need to understand this error. Then we will resolve it. This error show that x must be numeric. It's mean here x mean our file, our data set. X mean our file, our data set. It's showing us all data in your file should be numeric for correlation analysis. If you want to perform, okay, classy, just give me a 5 minute, then I will share your screen and perform all things again on your screen. X must be numeric. It's mean we need all data in numeric form. So confirm in your data. Click on ficus file. Here are some variables. Bring cursor near to first variable. When you bring cursor to petal width, it will give you a box showing column 1 numeric with range 0 to 2.6. So it is a numeric column. Bring cursor near to second. It is also a numeric column. Third, it's also a numeric column. Fourth, it's also a numeric column. And fifth, yes, it's not a numeric, it is a character. So this column is creating an issue. And our R showing us all data should be numeric. So for correlation, we need only numeric data. If you have data other than numeric, you need to remove this column. So you can remove this column in R. So give a hashtag here, sorry, scare bracket. Here is a new word for you. In our previous classes, we have learned some basic words of our language, hashtag, library, and no today's scare brackets. Scare bracket mean column number. Scare bracket mean column number. There is another sign dollar. Dollar sign mean column name. Scare bracket mean column number. Dollar sign mean column name. Within scare bracket, give minus sign minus 5. Minus 5 mean we want to remove column number 5. So column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to remove column number 5 from our data set. So give minus 5 and run this line again. When you run this line again, it will give you correlation matrix and probability values in your screen number 2. Here is your results in the form of tables. Copy these results, select, right click, copy, open your WhatsApp group and share. And type done within Zoom chat. Please all participants share your data in group and type done within Zoom chat. Okay, we have done. If any participant is facing issues, please let me know. Here is Suzanne. Please share your screen. I have allowed you.
Sir, what do you mean by correlation here? What does actually mean by correlation?
Correlation is actually a statistical analysis, but today we are just going to do practice for our script, not for correlation. So your question is what is correlation? Correlation is the analysis which show the relationship between variables. What is the relationship between variable 1 and variable 2, variable 1 and variable 3, variable 1 and variable 4? What is the relationship between variable 2 with 1, 2 with 3, 2 with, and so on? I will explain. Just give me 5 minutes. Okay, next step is corr.test. Showing that there's no core. Okay, no, you need to please do library. Please do library. Line number 24. You have not run 24. First run 24. Yes, no, next. Yes, no, you have a data set. Okay, next, class C, please. Class C, have you resolved your issue? If not, please, I have allowed you. Share your screen. Class C, please share your screen. And other participant, if you have done, type done so that I can move to next step. No, please click on install button. Please click on install button. Type here psych, psych, psy, not py, ch. Click on install. I think you need to restart. Okay, come on screen number 1. Here is the session button. Click on it. Here is the restart R, fourth option. Click on it. Okay, now try again. Click on install. If not working, then you need to restart. Search here psych and wait for suggestion. There is no suggestion. Okay, click on cancel button. Click on cancel. Close your R programming. Close R studio. Click on don't save. I think there is an issue with your PC. Very slow down. I think Classy, there is an issue with your PC. So please wait and after closing, restart it again and try again. If not working, then you can share your screen again. Let me move to next step. Okay, thank you. Please restart and try it again. Otherwise, I will share your screen at the end of this class. Okay, next step is now we have done correlation matrix table. So in correlation matrix, you can found here some two data set are found. One is correlation matrix and other is p-value. Correlation matrix shows the correlation between variables. So here is the correlation for petal width and petal width. Correlation for petal length with petal length. Correlation with petal width, petal length, petal width, sepal length, petal width, sepal length. Here is the probability values. P-value we show that the relationship is significant or non-significant. No, your supervisor say, so our today task is not explaining these results or discussing these results. Our today task is writing script successfully. We will discuss all these things in our statistic classes. Now we want to visualize. So for visualization, we need another function of psych package, which is core, sorry, pairs dot panel. Type pairs dot panels. This function will use to visualize these results. It's also of psych package. No, type your file name again, ficus, and we also know that we need numeric data for correlation. So give square bracket minus 5 and run this line. It will give you plot in screen number 4. Here is the plot. Please all participant draw this plot. Click on zoom button, copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. Please type done. Share your plot within WhatsApp group. Hamid Khan, please first zoom your plot, then share in group. Click on zoom button. Here is the zoom button, screen number 4. One is export. You can also export as a PDF, as an image, or you can click on zoom. It will give you a zoom image of this plot after showing its full screen. Then copy image and share in group. Then it will work properly. Yes, no, it's okay. All participants please type done. If anyone facing issue, please let me know. No, here you can check in this plot. Here is the correlation. Correlation show the relationship between petal width. Here is the relationship of petal width with petal length. Here is the relationship between petal width and sepal width. Petal width and sepal width. petal width and sepal width, and here is also the relationship between petal width and petal length. So the relationship between petal width and petal length is positive, while the relationship between petal width and sepal width is negative. This relationship is negative. It's mean when you want to increase petal width of any plot, its sepal width will be reduced. Okay, and this graph showing you the relationship between two variables. For example, what is the relationship between petal width and petal length? The relationship between petal width and petal length is 0.96. It's mean and it is in positive value. So it is positive relationship between petal width and petal length. If you want to check the relationship between petal length and sepal width, it shows you the negative relationship. You can check. It is the negative relationship between petal length and petal width, 0.43. If you want to increase petal length, its sepal width automatically reduced. If you want to increase, if you want to increase petal length, its sepal width will reduced. And if you want to reduce petal length, its sepal width will increased. So these are inversely proportional with each other, or you can say showing negative correlation. Now it shows you the positive correlation, negative correlation, positive correlation, positive correlation, negative correlation. But this correlation is significant or non-significant. If you want to check the relationship is significant or not significant, then we need probability values, or we can say we need a p-values. So here are the p-values which show us the positive, which show us the significant or non-significant relationship. Now, if you want to show stars for significant and without star for non-significant in plot, you can add significant level by adding add comma after square bracket add comma, type stars, select equal and type t, star equal t, and run this message. It will give you star. You can check. No stars appeared with significant variables showing significant positive or significant negative correlation. Now you can check petal width, and this show positive but significant, show negative but significant, show negative but significant, show positive but significant, show positive but significant. But last one is showing negative relationship, but it is not a significant. It may be positive or may be negative. It is doubtful. While others are showing significant positive or significant negative correlation. But last one is showing without star, it's mean it is not a significant value. It's maybe in positive some cases, or maybe in some cases it will be negative. Okay, please all participant type done so that I can move to next step. If you have done, type done. Okay, next step is we have done work on uh, correlation by using psych package. We also have another package named corrplot. And Classy, please let me know. Have you done installation process? Class A, please confirm me. Yes or no? Not yet. Have you restart? Okay. Please share your screen again. Let me check. I think maybe issue in your internet or in your PC. Please share your screen again. I have allowed you. Click on cancel. Yes, it's is on process. You have no, wait. You need to wait because you are getting a red sign in screen number 2. So you need to wait. I think there is an internet issue in your side, or you maybe are using a VPN or some other issues related to internets. That's why you are facing same type of issues because it may take a few seconds for installation. Okay, you can try it on your other time when you have a good internet connection, or try it again and again. It will work. Okay, thank you. Now please close your screen. Okay. Now next step is corrplot. Now we want to use corrplot package for correlation analysis. What is the difference between corrplot and result? Results will be same, table will be same, but we can, if you want to visualize correlation in different way, you can use corrplot. So for corrplot, first we need to confirm we have corrplot in screen number 4. Click on packages button and search here corrplot. Corrplot. Yes, I have this corrplot. Corrplot. So my answer is yes. If you don't have, then click on install button, type here corrplot, search, install. It may take just few seconds for installation. Yes, package corrplot successfully unpacked. Now, next step I need to do library. Do library, library, psych, sorry, corrplot, and run. It will show you corrplot 0.95 loaded. It's mean your package is activated. No. Now we will use a core function for correlation analysis. So first step is create a results. Then creating a result we will able to visualize. So first do analysis core. Just type core. COR core. Very simple step core. Give your file name ficus. Give your file name ficus here and run this message. It will give you again error. X must be numeric. But we already know we need to remove here column number 5 and run this line again. It will give you a table, single table for correlation matrix. This is the same table as we have created by using psych package. Copy, open WhatsApp group and share. Please all participants type done so that I can move to next step. Create this table in screen number 2 by using core function and type done so that I can move to next step. I need response from all participants. Okay, thank you. Now, next step, we want to visualize this, but before visualization, today we will learn one more skill or one more term of our programming is coding. What is mean by coding? Coding means giving a new name to any line or script is known as coding. For example, here is a simple script. I am typing here 5 plus 5. Please first understand, then work. 5 plus 5. So 5 is value, 5 is value, 5 plus 6 and run. It will give us the result 11 in screen number 2. But when I run same line, fiv5 plus six and run, it will give us error object 5 not found. It's mean R don't know what is mean by five, what is mean by six, or no, it's 5, it is 6, but there is no record of five and six in R. You can say there is no vocabulary for this in R. Here we need to do library. Sorry, we need to do coding. Here we need to do coding. So in our previous classes like metric or FSC or intermediate, we have, if you have learned mathematics, you have learned some formulas or some equations or some questions like this: x equal 5, y equal 6. What is mean by x plus y? So the value of x is 5. The value of y is 6. It is the coding. It is the coding. There are the code word. For example, the code word for 5 is x and code word for 6 is y. If I remove these, so you are able to understand. If I say x, you mean 5. If I type y, it's mean 6. So in R, we also need to define some word as a coding. Now, I want to define for coding, we will use a term less than minus. Less than minus. It is another word of our language. Less than minus mean coding. Less than minus mean equal. Less than minus mean equal. So five 5 is equal to 5 is equal to 5. It's mean no we have give a coding. It's 5 mean this 5 and run this line. When you run this line, it will give you data in screen number 3. 5 equal 5. No, or have saved this information. No. If you want to do coding for 6, type six less than minus mean equal. Equal 6. This 6 equal 6 and run this line. It will give you 6 in screen number 3. No, or have saved this information. What is mean by fiv5 and what is mean by six? No, or have knowledge about this. No. If I run here 5 plus 6 and run. No, it will give you answer 11 because no or have good idea or have knowledge about what is mean by 5 and what is mean by 6. These are codes. These are coding. So why we do coding? In R, we may face a script more than of more than one pages, maybe more than one paragraph. So this extra large script we can't write again and again, we can't copy again and again, because maybe when you copy and type it, maybe you get a error, you may be the chance of getting error increased. So we will do coding. We will give a name to the script and we will use this name for next analysis. Here is a simple example. No, today we are working on corr ficus ficus square bracket -5 and run. We already have run this step. No, we want to give a name to this line. Instead of using this line again and again for different analysis or different purpose, we equalize, we give equal sign. Here is equal sign in OR. Less than minus mean equal is we give a name X. You can give any name to this line. I give a X. So it's mean X equal to this complete script. If this script is for 20 lines, then we will give a name X. We will use X for next time. Just run this line. Now you can check it saved X in screen number 3. No, I just use X instead of this complete line. Just type X and run. Now you can check table. I get a table. If I clean screen number 2, again run X, just X, it will give you results. Now we have done coding. Coding means giving new name or giving equal sign, or you can say allot a new name for your convenience or for your comfortable. No, we want to visualize. We want to visualize. So for visualization, we will use a function corrplot. Corrplot is the function, also function name and package name, same. But here is the corrplot is function. No, give X instead of complete name. Instead of typing here complete sentence. In our psych, you can check we have typed complete script here. Ficus -5. No, we just need to give X because we give a name to this line X. X is the name of this line. When we run X, this line will work. Now run this line. It will show you plot in screen number 4. Okay, now please perform this step and type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. I am waiting for your response. Please all participant perform this step and type done within Zoom chat.
But I have done, but yours and mine is a little bit different.
Please share your screen.
I've sent my screenshot in WhatsApp.
Okay, share your screenshot.
I already shared.
You shared plot, please share me script. You have shared plot. Share me script so that I can check where is Your script is different from my script.
It shows that font is too large.
Please copy script and share within Zoom chat or WhatsApp group.
I have shared.
Copy script like this. Which code you have run. Select, right click, copy, and open Zoom chat or WhatsApp group and share, so that I can check where is difference.
So I have already shared.
Okay, I think you have used. Yes, you have used corrplot function, corrplot plot function. Here is your script. Now you can check. In my case, line number 35, corrplot, corrplot. You have typed single corrplot, single R, COR.
That means it is another
It
package.
is another,
COR.
yes. No, you can check in my screen. I get same plot as you. So it is another function of this package.
Okay.
Okay. Exact is core, CORR core. Okay. Now, if your supervisor say, please draw. In my case, there is a circle plot.
But
Circle.
now it shows error. When I say CORR X, it shows error.
Please check this code. CORR core plot X. It will work. I have shared this script in group, Zoom chat. Okay. Now your supervisor say, please, here is
But
the
it shows
circle.
error again. I don't know why. CORRPLOT X. I don't know
CORR
why it shows
core
error.
plot.
It shows some error. It says
Okay.
could not find function.
Could not find function. Okay. You need to do
Okay, I need to
library.
install. I need to install.
You need to do library core plot. CORR core plot. Please library core plot like this. I have sent this complete script within group. You can match your script with this.
Sir, all the library is open, sir.
Please share your screen. Otherwise, I am unable to check where is issue. I have allowed you. If possible, share your screen. It's showing you could not core plot. You have not do library core plot. Run line number 16. No, don't select, click in this line and run. Next. Okay, remove core plot. I think you have typed P capital. Remove core plot remove to line number 23. Please remove line number 23. Line number 23, not 22. Just 23. And type here core, CORR core, and wait. And select core plot, the fifth option, I think. No. Yeah, fifth option. Yes. Now type X and run. You need to again run line number uh, 22. Run line number 22. Again run line number 23. Yes, now it's working. Hamid Khan, you need to equalize all four screen size. Or you share your screen. Hamid Khan, please share your screen.
Is it clear now?
Clear, but please equalize all four screen size because it's showing you are giving less margin for plot. Okay.
Yeah.
Now scroll up screen, move up screen number 4. Increase the size of screen number 4. Move up. Yes. More. Up to 6, up to 5. Yes. No. Okay. No, run this line again. It's showing you could not find function corrplot. You have typed wrong spelling. Run line number 38. Here is core.
No, yeah, I was trying just the table one, not these spots. I was trying the other
You
one.
have not,
This.
function for this. First, you need to install corrplot, corrplot, not
Oh,
corrplot. It is another
okay.
package.
It was just a try. Okay, no
Yes.
worries.
Okay. Okay. No. Next, it is the circular plot, circular correlation plot, circle. No, your supervisor say please draw number plots. Also show numbers within this plot. Numbers. No, copy this script, corrplot, paste here, and add comma, method equal within inverted comma, numbers. Method equal numbers, and run. When you run, it will give you error, but also give you suggestion. Error in match.argument method. Argument should be one of circle, square, ellipse, number, shade, color, pie. You can create these type of plot by using this corrplot function. There is no option for numbers. I have typed wrong spelling so that it give us the all possible suggestions. So exact name is number, not numbers. If you type wrong spelling, it will give you suggestion also with error. So here is the error message and here is the suggestion. We can use circle, square, ellipse, number, shade, color, pie. So correct spelling, number and run. It will give you number plots. Copy this plot, copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. Okay, Suzanne, please share your screen. Suzanne, share your screen. Sir, please close your screen. And Suzanne, administrator, please close your screen. It's showing you message in corrplot x method number not been able to calculate text margin. Please try it again with a clean new empty window using the plot. Okay, first clean screen number 4. Please administrator close screen number 4 with brush button. Yes. Now run this line again, line number 24. Yes, now it's working. Okay, now Suzanne, please share your screen. I have allowed you. Yes, it's showing you. Okay, run line number 43. It's working. When you run line number 40, it does not show you plot because no, we have applied coding. No, if you want to check the table, then you need to run X in type line number 41, type X, because we have given name to this script is X. No, run, just run X. Yes, it will give you table because no, the name of the script is X. So you don't need to run this complete script, just run X, it will give you results. Okay. Now next step is numbers. Okay, so exact name is number. No, if your supervisor say please draw a scare plot. No, here you can check a list of plot name. So next is scare. Copy scare, add hashtag, paste here, scare, and again copy the script, paste here, and replace number with scare and run. It will give you scare plot. Copy, open WhatsApp group and share. Please, if you when you want to copy, first click on zoom button so that your plot will clearly appear in WhatsApp. Click on zoom. After zooming, copy image. Click on zoom button and then copy. Otherwise, your plot will not appear with proper dimensions. Okay, now if you want to apply ellipse, copy ellipse, paste here and run. It will give you ellipse plot. Copy, open WhatsApp group and share. If you want to apply shade, copy shade, replace ellipse with shade, paste here and run. It will give you shade plot. Copy this image, open WhatsApp group and share. And if you want to do color plot, copy color, copy, open WhatsApp group, open the script, replace shade with color and run. It will give you color plot. Copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. And if you want to apply pie, copy pie plot, replace color with pie plot, paste here and run. It will give you pie plot. So please all participants draw these plots, and we have some steps which we will related to our today class. We will work in our tomorrow class, and we need to understand what is mean by t in our previous script. So here is the star equal t. What is mean by t? What t indicate that? And we also need to do work on this script. More we will work in our next class. Okay, now Adnan, please share your screen. Your message is mine not working. Please wait. You have typed COR. It is a CO double R, not single R. It's showing you could not find function corrplot. Okay, again type corr, 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 and select corrplot. Now run this line. It will work. Yes. Yes, Classy, please share your screen. Other participant, if you want to leave class, you can leave. Do practice. I think your RA still is in installation process. You need to wait until this red dot disappear. That's why you are facing issue. Maybe you are facing your memory issue, or maybe some other technical issue in your PC, not in R. It will maximum take 30 to 50 seconds for installation, but it is still in showing you red dot. So you need to wait until this red dot disappear. I think when you try after leaving this class and restart your PC, then hopefully it will work. Okay, please don't worry. Restart your PC, try it again. If your issue still, we will again discuss in our coming class. I hope, after restart, your issue will be resolved. Okay, thank you. Yes, I am going to share complete script. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.